Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today I'm gonna bring a product from MOZA. It's a gimbal. It's called the Mini Dash P. So this is an awesome little item that I want to show you guys what you can do with it. It's a gimbal, not like the others. It actually comes with extra components. I like the casing itself. If you guys can see it, it's a nice little casing to begin with. I mean, it's foam, but it's very secure in here. A product of this caliber should be secure. You know, this is great for you movie makers out there, and also those people that are blogging out in the field. They're going to be moving around. This is something that you want to take a look at it. We're going to actually put it to the test too and see what you guys think about it. I mean, it's a great product. I like the little bag, handle bag. If you guys see it, it comes ready to go. It's like a picnic ready in a bag, you know, ready to go. So like it so far. It looks really awesome, the box itself. And we're going to take a look at it and see what you get, and we're going to put it to a test and see how it works. And if you guys think of this product a great product, I'll put the description and where to get it. And I also, if you guys could help once in a while, and hit the like and subscribe. We got the little bag in here. There's two clips in here. If you guys can see it, lift it up, and that's about it. That's what you do. It's just a little box like this. You see that? It's special. It's locked here. I like the box itself. This is pretty awesome. So if you can see the gimbal instructions in here, it's all here. It comes with it's a stabilizer, if you guys know about that, but it also comes with its own stand. We're gonna take a look at it and put it to the test. We're gonna put a phone on this one, and we're also gonna put a GoPro on it and see how well it works. So instructions, how to set it up from start to finish, pretty good. Let's get one of the items. This is the phone. This is actually to grab the phones. That we're gonna put it to a test and see how well it works. It looks like it stretches out perfectly enough. So, and it has two entries in the back, of course, and in the bottom of it too, if you could see it. So two different areas you could grab your gimbal. And not only that, if you have a phone or something, or another smaller camera, it could even grab the camera too. And there's extra foaming in here, phone, if you guys see it, and it has a grip. It's on that plastic grip actually, so it's not that bad. We're gonna put it to the side here. I'm gonna try to get the whole thing out, and this is really heavy, good quality. It's not too heavy. It's really good quality, heavy duty. That's what I meant to say. So it has a couple of remote controls here. Instructions are in the manual that tell you exactly how to go there. You can take pictures. The whole system comes with another part of it in the bottom. If you see it, you can actually screw in, even extend this even if you want to. So this one's really good. I like how it feels right now. We're gonna put it to a test. We're gonna put this to a side right now, and then of course it comes with a couple cables to charge the system. So we're gonna take them all out, and then additional changes for your camera, of course. So now, like I said, it does multiple cameras, and it has different degrees that you can move this around, parallel or vertical, however you want to do it. But this is how I'm going to actually place it on my GoPro and see how well it works. So let's keep getting everything out. And this is the tripod. This is what actually you can enable this to stand on the bottom. You screw this in on the bottom here, and you pretty much just keep screwing it in if you see it. And this one opens up. Butterfly open, stands by itself, and that's pretty much it. Let's put the box to the side. It's all set up to go, and then you can start using it, taking pictures and all sorts of things. So we're gonna go ahead and put it to use first and see how we put it together. Right now, like I said, this thing is not balanced, so you got to make sure you balance it out, and once you balance it out, you're set to go. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so one of the most important things that I discover in this machine, and this hardware and the gimbal, is that putting it together is not very simple if you're not familiar with this. So I'm going to take you step by step what you need to do. So when you get out of the box, it pretty much looks like this format, all right? And you get this separate for two pieces together. I'm going to make speed up time, I'm going to put them together. This is the phone attachment, and we're going to balance an iPhone X on it, and we're going to put it together. So first of all, what you got to do is make sure that you unlock this side here. And this part right here is where I was having a little trouble because I didn't know which way it was supposed to go. The booklet itself, it has instructions, but they're really tiny to see. I mean, for an eye like mine, I'm blind as it is with glasses, it's very difficult. The tutorial doesn't even show you how to even turn it which way. So what you got to do, try to be careful on this. Don't push it the wrong way, all right? So you open it up, and then you hold it. You hold it like that, and you let go of the button. It locks in. that locks in the mechanism. All right, important thing. All right, make sure it's off too, and make sure you charge it before using it. All right, now we're gonna end up putting this gimbal here on this system. Turn it on. Let it do its calibration. It's calibrating now. It's making sure it's working, and I believe it's on. So I'm going to be able to fix this now. We could use it this way. The gimbal is working now. If you can see it, I'm twisting it, and it tells you it's correct now. So we could even twist it this way, and then twist it back, because I want to be able. You could calibrate however you feel comfortable where your camera is going to be at located. Try to record this dog with the gimbal. Record with the gimbal. We're running out here in the park. Real beautiful day. Here we are walking to the park. All right, drop the ball. Ready? Go. He drops the ball. He dropped the ball. Ready? He's walking himself. This guy's walking himself.
Drop it.
Oh, you got it. All right, so listen, guys, this thing is pretty dope. I like it. It runs really good. The motor is a tiny little bit slow catching up, but it does its job. It balances out. It gets great footages. Now, one thing I do like about it is this extra piece right here. Now, this makes it even 100 times better than what it is. It's shorter on this hand with one hand with this, but when you attach this together, it makes a big difference. Running out there and getting some nice footage of the dogs playing around, the environment. I was using a GoPro here, and I did use the phone for a bit to capture some of the stuff. And this is an iPhone X, but for outdoors I prefer a GoPro. It's smaller, lighter. It gets better footage actually. So I like it a lot. You could put all sorts of cameras in here that fit in this in the description. I'm gonna put some of the description, the angles that you could put in there. But like I said, every time you have to take it apart, you're gonna have to recalibrate. You're gonna have to rebalance it out and make sure that everything's working and make sure everything's unlocked. Especially this one right here. At the beginning, I didn't know about it. I had to make sure that this was unlocked in order to make it work. So before you start the process, when you turn it on, make sure you unlock it. Right, guys, this is important. Right now it's locked because it's pretty much asleep. It's turned off right now. But before you start using it, make sure you unlock it. When you put it back in the case, you're gonna have to put everything back to how it was, to normal. You're gonna have to take the two pieces, put it in the case, and then put it for later and save it for later. 20 hours of power on this sucker, so it's gonna survive for a while, you know. So make sure you guys charge it. There's no batteries. It's built in here. It's chargeable batteries built in. Make sure you're up to date with the the standard application that in here is a great application. I like about it. There's great features if you wanted to make sure it works and it syncs up properly. It works even better with the camera, making the back camera a lot better, especially on the focus, the streaming, and then the zooming in. So if you guys like this stuff like this, let me know. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.